Welcome back, YouTube. Burkle here with Burktopian Adventures. Just got done with our fishing trip. We have something and a sight to show you guys. We had one of our best days out on this lake called Goose Lake. We got 2 4-pounders, strung up 8 fish total. Today we caught our PB of 25 fish out on here. All bass or rock bass, maybe even a bluegill or 2. So stay tuned to see these monster fish coming live to you soon. The other day I was somewhere and they had 2 ponds, and then they have, it's called Sunken Garden.
Yeah, in Huntington.
Okay, in Huntington. So I went there.
Yeah.
And
stock trout in that in the fall, actually.
So that Sunken Garden, you know, they have, I just walked down into it. Probably shouldn't have done this, but I did it anyway. Went down into the Sunken Garden. I'm like, oh, I had a spinner on one of my rods.
Yeah.
I caught 2 suckers out of there.
Yeah, they probably...
They have a bunch of suckers, kois, and all this shit.
Oh, yeah, that's probably just decorative or something.
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to fish it, but there's no signs.
Yeah.
But I had to do it just because
You got something on?
Yeah, I got 2 suckers.
On what?
On a white spinner.
Really?
Bill Baker says Nick run off without him.
Jamie says masturbating in public again.
Again.
Fine Jermaine says, where are we masturbating at today, Berkey?
Goose Lake.
Jamie says, are we there yet?
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? A couple minutes.
Jamie says, let us out of this backpack.
It says, did Nick hear the TTS to leave you and not do it like me?
Hey,
excellent. Excellent.
Seems like it'll be beautiful. Yeah, it looks like we'll be good. Oh yeah, we're good. Let's go. I was so nervous coming into here that we would have no signal. I was so nervous. Oh my God, there's big fish already jumping. One second. We're good. Cane pole fishing. What is that even? That's so interesting.
How y'all doing?
Good, you?
I'm doing all right. A little slow this morning.
Yeah. It's an interesting technique. Well, and it doesn't leave anything hanging over the water. Because I don't know if I told you, but when I was in PA, we were on the boat, the camera fell, it hit the corner of the boat, and that whole top receiver fell off in the water.
Fish on. Fish on. Might be decent. I don't know.
So says, hope you have an amazing...
Nice one, yeah.
Yeah, he's decent.
Let's go. Okay, we're gonna have to do something here.
I didn't think. I thought it felt like it, and I didn't know. You know, gotta wait, take a picture later. I'm gonna keep them in the...
Yeah, we could, yeah, we'll do that. We'll take pictures.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's a nice fish. Now,
Yep.
if we get half a dozen of those,
Yeah.
put them on a stringer.
Yeah, well, we'll do that for sure.
I want to keep them for you.
For sure. Do we got a moderator that can update this? Nick 1, Burkle 0?
Hey, you know,
28 says, Nick 1 and Burke 0.
I had bites.
Lucky Kimmy Sweep says, W baby, fish on and landed.
Yep.
PT28 says, you are front page spot 1 featured get those fish.
Let's go. GG's. How's the camera angle look? Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish.
fish?
Big one. Or a nice one.
Got it? Want that? Oh, we got it.
No, we got it. Let's go. That was right under the dock.
Lucky Chimney Sweep says, W. Burke. One of the best fishermen of Kick. 28 says, Nick 1, Burke 1.
Anything under 40.
Oh, I got it.
I saw you get that.
Oh.
It's decent.
I'll wait for you. Oh, God, yeah. Oh, God, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's probably a foreign.
Oh, my God, I don't have my scale. Oh, my God, chat.
Yeah, it's a nice fish here.
Do you have your scale?
Yeah.
We got him on the frog. Oh, my God.
28 says, go Berkey, go woohoo.
This is huge.
That'd be a keeper, Nick.
Yeah. That'd be a keeper. All right, hold on. There you do again. There you go. A little lower. There you go. Okay. Beautiful, man. That's your big fish for the day.
Oh, yep. Fish on. Oh, I missed it. Net good? Where are we at? Oh, yeah.
That's a nice fish.
It's actually very long.
Yeah.
That thing could definitely be a big one if it ate ate some more.
I thought he was bigger than that. Look at that. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's very weirdly elongated.
28 says, here fishy fishy come hang on the line, make Burkle a happy feller.
Well, we've got some big ones in there, so we're good.
28 says, we are angled to the boat, LOL.
Oh, yeah.
Oops.
It's been like that for a while. Been nice to know sooner. Goes to show no one truly watches. It's been like that for like 5 minutes. No one said a thing. Well, if I lived in one of these cabins.
28 says, just think how much fishing you get to do each day if you lived in one of those cabins.
Yep. Fish on. I didn't even know he was on there.
Big, is he?
It's decent. He was all the way up there. I think it's too small.
The camera turned.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's too small. Burkle here with Burktopian Adventures. Today was one of our best days here on Goose Lake. I got my PB bass of 4 pounds. Not only did we get one, I got two. Me and Nick, we had our best day. Thank you for joining us on this Burktopian adventure. Catch me live daily on kick.com/Burkle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next Burktopian adventure.